Hello guys, I'm Umesh and welcome to yet another video of this channel. So today we are going to unbox a very special item. Well, you already know from the title what the item is, but still it is really special for me. Uh, this is the Nikon Z6 II with 24-70 f4 lens. So we are going to unbox it and we'll see what we get inside the box. So it's been like 1.5 years has been passed since it's launched, and initially when they have launched it, they were providing an FTZ adapter with the camera as well as the extra battery. So we'll see whether we get it now or not, and also what type of memory card we get along with it. I was actually looking for Nikon's D850 camera, used D850 camera instead of this one, which is far superior DSLR camera. But there are like 3 points which made there are like 3 points due to which I have changed my decision and went with the Nikon Z6 II. So number one is like the IBIS, the in-body stabilization, 5-axis in-body stabilization, which Nikon D850 does not have, and it is really important for me as my hands are really shaky. So when I take a picture, when I'm taking a picture handed, so sometimes they comes out to be blurry. So that is the one reason. Another is the EVF. Basically with this camera, what you see in the EVF, you will get the picture the same way. And the third point is the video autofocus. So this has far superior. This has really good autofocus compared to the D850. So these are the main three reasons why I chose the Nikon Z6 II over Nikon D850. So let's get started with the unboxing of Nikon Z6 II, and let's find out what we get in the box. So before we do that, I would like to request you, if you like this video, please hit thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel so that I can come up with more and more videos like this, and also hit the bell icon. Let's jump into the unboxing. Turn it out. As you see here, it's Nikon Z6 or Z6 II with 24-70 fit lens, and this product is only sold here in India. So this is Indian unit, and we get a 64 GB UHS 2 high-speed SD card. So it is good that they are providing a UHS 2 SD card instead of UHS 1. But I still think that instead of SD card, they should provide the XQD or CF Express card. Now they are making the cards themselves, so why not include those cards in the box? So yeah, here there's nothing. Barcode and information, other information. Okay, here there is some information available. So it says Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, HDMI. Yeah, it works with Android, made for iPhone and all that. All right, so that there is not. But whenever you are buying a camera, so restrict yourself from buying them online. And if you are even buying online, just check the seal at the bottom. So many times it happens that they remove the seal and change the items inside. But if you are buying such an expensive item, I would suggest you to go and buy it from a store. But do even there also do check this seal. So if it is like broken, it will be displayed like this. So I had to open this camera in a store to check if it is properly working, but it wasn't working actually. The battery had no juice left in it. So let's open the box and see what we get. Alright, so we get Acer memory card. Never saw that before. So it could have been better if we get the SanDisk one or Sony one or even the Nikon one instead of Acer one. So we have to find out, or the Lexar one. There are so many card storage storage making companies out there which I think better than the Acer, but I don't know. I have to use it to test it, use it to really know how this card performs. That is a good thing that we are getting this UHS 2 card. Then there is a small manual. This is really good that first time I am seeing it in a Nikon camera. Previously we used to get a very bulky, very big one user manual, but this time they have reduced the size. So it contains only basic things, how do you start the camera and all. This is a good step towards towards the environment's betterment. So they can provide the PDF file and we could refer that PDF file instead of providing the bulky or huge user guide. This is 2-year comprehensive. So this is the warranty from the Nikon. It provides 2 years of warranty. Then this is something to subscribe for and get some Nikon goodies. Okay, this is good. I'll do that. This is the warranty card. So there are two warranty cards, one for the lens and one for the camera body. And this is service stations, service centers, where we can find service centers in India. So there are available in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Gurgaon, yeah, right. Okay. So in only major cities the service centers are available. But I think one is also available in Pune. So I think not all the service center addresses are provided over here. So maybe there could be more service centers available. Now here what we've got is, we'll start with the lens first. So we've got the, I think, lens cover. Then we have got the lens itself. This is heavy. This is a good lens. Looks to be very well built. After seeing Jared's video and that other guy, I don't know his name, had a theory or something. So he was really saying those two guys were saying that this lens is not that great and all, but it looks proper, very well built. I don't know. Yeah, it's really good. Wow. And the construction is also really good. So it has a weather seal gasket also, weather sealing gasket. Okay. We've got the lens hood also along with it. This is not that sturdy, I would say, but it will do the job. Okay, so the lens has a 72 mm filter size. So if you are buying ND filters or something like that, you could go for 72 mm filter size. Then we've got the cord for charging the battery with this charger. The charger quality is really good, and Nikon products are really very well built, and you can use them for a longer period of time. So I had a Nikon's D7200, which I've used for like 5 to 6 years and never had any problem with that. So those are really built well. This is the good Type C cable, Type A to Type C cable. Good that they are providing this, because with this cable you can charge your camera with a power bank or something directly. So instead of removing the battery, or if you are recording a video continuously, you can charge your camera as well. What is this? I'm not sure what really is this. This is maybe going on the hot shoe of the camera, I don't know. I have to find that out. So here's the battery. So we get EL15C battery along with it, which is really costly. This battery is really costly now, like 4,500 something. So if you have to buy another battery because the battery backup with this camera I have heard is not that good. And the Nikon strap. Okay, this is like yellow strap. It can get dirty. It's good that we get it with the camera. It just says the Nikon Z or Z. And now the body. Okay, here's the body. Wow, this is really good. This mount is really huge compared to what we had previously, compared to what we had with the F mount. Wow, that's really great. The best thing that over D7200 is the ISO button. That ISO button is really handy while changing the ISO from here directly without going into any menu or something. So the camera is really good. There is hot shoe cap. I don't know how it can be removed. Okay, directly you can remove it for the flash and everything. Nice touch. But we might lose this when we go for a shoot, so take care of it. And the screen is really good, but the screen protector is really cheap one, so we might have to get another screen protector for this. And the mechanism is good, so it goes all the way like this, but it does not go all the way 90 degree like this, so it only, but that is fine. So the idea behind providing this screen by Nikon instead of fully articulated could be the reason that this is more reliable and sturdy than the fully articulated screen. The good thing about Nikon cameras is that they make their product such that you can use it for a longer period of time. So I had a Canon 1100D, and in like 2 years only it gave me a problem. And when I took that camera to the service center, they asked me to pay 10,000 to repair that camera. So the camera cost was 23,000, and if I am paying 10,000 to repair that one part of it, then I don't know if in future how much I have to pay to repair that camera. After that I have switched to Nikon, and since then I really loved the Nikon cameras, the picture quality and all, and the sturdiness. Even though this is mirrorless, the grip is really good. I don't feel it like I'm holding a small camera in hand. The weight is also good. And yeah, so let me put the battery inside it and let's see how that looks. How the screen is. Okay, turned on. The display is really good, and these are the 2 card slots. So one is CF Express, it is written over here, or XQD also goes in there, and one is SD card. So caution, hot card. Okay, you have to take care of that. So it also shows the notification if the card is hot. What else we have got here is changing the display from this button. You can change that, and viewing the photos and all, deleting the delete button, menu button. So there is the menu. It's same as the Nikon D7200 or any other professional cameras from Nikon. So there is this a dial to change shutter speed, and here is the dial to change the aperture. The lens is not attached, so aperture cannot be changed. So yeah, record button, exposure button, so AF on. Okay. So this feels really good in hand. So I'll do one thing. I'll use it, and I'll see what challenges I face using this camera, and I'll come up with a complete review for this camera, whether you should go with it or not. So yeah, this is all for the unboxing today. We'll meet in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.